Okay. All right. Let's do the next one. Okay, so x equals 7. Okay, what is the slope of the given line? What is the slope of the given line? So let me get that up here so you guys can see this here. You guys remember slope? Hey, you need to write this down for your test tomorrow. But to find the slope, you guys remember the equation for the slope?
What?
Remember how to find the equation of the slope? What is it? Yes, but just the equation of a slope for this. It is undefined, but
y2
minus y. x2. You guys remember, that's how you find the slope, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now remember, we have 2 points here. We have points 1, 3 and points 1, -2, right? And so let's call this point 1, and let's call Octavio. Octavio.
Yes.
Hey, can you see the green here?
The what?
Can you see this right here? Can you read that?
Yes, I can read it.
What does it say?
You're still on the previous problem.
Yeah.
Oh.
What am I pointing at? What does that say?
It says 49 equals 7x.
Wait. No. Are you looking at me? Can you see me?
I can only see like your arm.
Oh, shoot. Okay, hang on. That's why I'm asking. I gotta adjust this. What do you guys see here? I can't see what you're seeing. Thanks.
Okay, now I see it.
Oh, okay. Wait, so you can't. Oh, that's right. That's frozen. Okay, thank you. Okay, so this is what I wrote. Now, okay, can you see this now, Octavio?
Mm-hmm. I do.
What does it say?
1, 3.
Okay. Okay, cool. Thank you. That's it. All right. So, guys, remember to find the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So write that down. And these are our 2 points, 1, 3 and 1, -2. So you go flinky, right? So go ahead and plug in like y2 is going to be -2, right? And then y1 is going to be 3. So plug those in and go and solve it. I'm going to do rolly roll. I'm going to do roll while you guys are doing that. Let's see. Actually, if I go into the roll, you guys won't be able to see what I've written down though. Okay. Remember, today is the last day to turn in late stuff. So if you want to bring your grade up, and guys, you want to have at least a D so you get credit in this class. If you have an F, you won't get credit. If you have a D, you're going to retake this class, but you'll get credit. If you have a C, you have a chance going to math too, but you got to get a C next semester. All right, I'm gonna go to the rolly roll here. Man, that thing's loud. So loud. Am I sounding complainy? I don't even sound complainy. Am I sounding complainy? Shouldn't sound complainy. Let's see. Elias, okay, I'm doing roll. Elias Arroyo, are you ready to do roll? Elias? No? Rosa Balderas. All right.
Here.
All right, Rosa's here. Elias is not. Crystal Ayampatacal. Antonio Cervantes.
Here.
Edith J. Borges.
Here.
Sherlyn Coronado. Naomi Cortez. Abigail Gonzalez.
Here.
Luis Gonzalez.
Here.
Octavio Guerra.
Here.
David Guzman.
Here.
Alberto Juarez Arenas.
Here.
And Angelina Liu, you are here. And Crystal Magallanes.
Here.
Daniel Mejia.
Here.
Edgar Mejia.
Here.
Leilani Mendoza.
Here.
Jose Mina. Noel Munoz.
Here.
Elias Ortega.
Here.
Angelina Rodriguez.
Here.
Austin Rodriguez. Nicholas Rodriguez.
Here.
Olivia. Rosie Sorato.
Here.
Devin Solis. Natalia Solorio.
Here.
Leah Tali Tuatama. Andy Tumamate.
Here.
Quinlan Wilson.
Here.
Leilani Zabala.
Here.
All right. Okay, let's see. Okay, here's who I have absent. Ellis Arroyo, Sherilyn Coronado, Naomi Cortez, Jose Mina, Austin Rodriguez, Devin Solis, and Leah Tali Tuatama. Ellis Arroyo, are you there? Sherilyn Coronado. Naomi Cortez.
Here.
Naomi's here. Let's see. Who else? Jose Mina. Austin Rodriguez.
Here.
Devin Solis. Leotali Tuatama. Okay, one last time. Here's who I've absent. Elias Arroyo, Sherilyn Coronado, Jose Mina, Devin Solis, and Leotali Tuatama. Are any of those people here? Okay, Elias Arroyo, Sherilyn Coronado, Jose Mina, Devin Solis, Leotali Tuatama. I think Crystal Ayampatakal is not here either. So, all right, that's it. Okay, so let's see. What did we get? What's the slope of this? Let's check it out together. What did you get, Olivia? Let me check out what you got. Let's check out your work, guys. Oh, look at that, a bunny rabbit. Okay, this is actually the answer right there at the bunny rabbit, but what the heck does that mean? That means you're dividing by 0, which you can't. That's what we're looking at. Okay. So the answer is undefined. What the heck does that mean? So remember, slope tells us, okay, let's see. Quinlan, can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you.
Okay, cool. Slope tells us how steep it is, right? Now, the steeper the slope, the bigger the number, right? Imagine climbing, like, if the slope is like this, like here's a 0 slope. If I have a line that goes like this, that's 0, because it'd be easy to walk on that line, right? That's a 0, it's easy, 0, no problem, it's flat. Now, if it goes down, that's That's a negative slope. Negative, you'd be going down, right? If it goes up, it would be a positive slope. And the steeper it is, the harder it would be to climb. The steeper it is down, the harder it would be to go down. Look at this, right here. Can you imagine going down that thing? Right, you'd be falling. It's like anything that goes straight up and down, think of it this way. It is undefined. This is like impossible to climb. Can you imagine, like Crystal Magallanes? Crystal.
Yeah.
Crystal, are you there?
Yes.
Wait. Crystal, hello? I see your mic move. Put your hand up in front of the camera so I know you're there. Crystal. Okay. Let's ask someone else. I can't hear you. Let's say David Guzman. David! Mark you absent. 5, 4,
Yes.
3. Oh, there you are. Hey, David, can you imagine climbing this? What would it be like?
It would be very tall.
It'd
Or
be
high.
impossible, wouldn't it? Can you imagine
Yeah.
if I dared you to climb a building like this 100 feet? I said, just climb it like Spider-Man. What would you tell me?
I would say that's impossible.
You'd say, go pound sand, Sensei, in a respectful way. So this is undefined. But let's solve it the way we should solve it and see why it's undefined. What am I doing? Okay. So, what's my y2? Edgar Mejia, what's my y2? Y2, what do I put? I think there's
-2.
Oh, there he is. I thought you were asleep, Edgar. Very good. -2. What's my y1, Edgar?
3.
It's 3, right? Divided by, what's my x2? Italia, what's my x2?
2,
My x2?
1,
1. My x is here, 1. What's my x1? Italia?
1,
1. Okay, so let's add these. -2 minus 3 is -5. 1 minus 1 is 0. That is your answer. If you got that, you cannot divide by 0, which means the slope is undefined. Okay, so make sure you understand that. You can't divide by 0. You're going to have like one of those kind of slopes, right? Okay. That's the way it is. Okay. All right, let's look at the next one. I'm on the pear deck here. Okay, so now, oops. Hey. Okay, find the slope of that line. There it is. Find the slope of that one. Okay, so I'm going to leave this up here. This one is not in. By the way, is this going to be positive or negative? Negative, right? Okay, cool. It's a negative slope. What the students that are eating ice cream in the class said, okay? So let's define our point. Actually, you guys define the point 1 and point 2, and you should be able to figure out the answer. Try to do the whole thing on your own. What is point 1? What is point 2? Oh. Here, that's better. Is that better? Yeah. Oh my gosh. That was on the medium setting, put on the low setting. All right. How you doing, Olivia? Good. Oh. even though you're here for one day. Spring break will seem better. Because you'll go home, be like, I went to school. It seems like more like a vacation. That's what I think. That's one of the reasons why I came. So what do we get? I don't even know the answer to this. Maybe 1/4? Okay. I don't know. So you got Olivia? How you doing? That's what you got? Are you stuck? Can you help? Okay. Let's see. Y2 is -2 minus -1. Okay. You know how to do the skip change? Change it to an addition. So the way I do skip change did -2 minus -1. Skip, you change this to an addition. You also have to change the sign on the second number. So blink, blink. Would that be easier for you to add? Okay. Does that help you? So you got it set up right. Then wait, let's see. 2 minus -2. So you go. So 2 minus -2. So this one, okay. Skip. Change the 2. Change. Now it's 2 plus 2. 4. Right? All right. Okay, let's see. I'm going to see if the class got. All right. How you guys doing? Sorry, I was fixing stuff. Let's see. Noel, what'd you get for the answer? Noel, I'm going to give you 10 seconds. I'm going to mark you absent. Okay, I'm going to ask someone else, but you better be here. Rosa Balderas, what'd you get for the answer? Rosa and Noel. Wait, was Rosa having... One of you guys write in the chat so I know that you're there. Never mind. Rosa and Noel are not here. Rosa, are you there? Rosa. Okay. Oh, you're there. Okay. Did you get an answer, Rosa? Not yet. Rosie Serato, did you get an answer? You guys gotta be able to know how to do this. It's on the test.
Not yet. Hold on.
Okay. Am I going too fast? Maybe I'm going too fast. Am I going too fast? Okay, give them a lot of time.
No, I'm just double checking my work.
Okay, that's good. Double check it. All right, Noel, you're still not there, right? Okay, Noel's absent. There you go. Does anyone have an answer? Let's see. Nicholas, come on, man. Don't let me down, Nicholas. Nicholas?
For what question?
Oh, you got to be kidding me. Really? Nicholas, turn your camera on. Are you eating breakfast or something or taking a nap? Nicholas, what do you mean for what question?
I know for like the exact problem.
What are you talking? Dude, don't mess with me, man. You weren't paying attention. Nicholas, stay with us. With the exact, come on, what does that mean? The exact problem. Silly guy. All right, let's see if is anyone paying attention? Because I'm just hey, if you guys don't pay attention, I'm not going to go review this final. Is anyone interested in this final review? Come on, man. Let's try someone else. Nicholas, are you still with us?
Yep.
Okay, put your hand in the camera so I can see that you're there. Are you eating breakfast or something?
No, I'm not.
Okay, are you in the bed?
Nope.
Are you sitting at a desk?
Yeah.
You have paper out?
Yeah.
Okay, what more can I ask then? Louise, come on, give it to me. Louise, are you there?
Yes.
All right, do you get an answer?
-1/-4.
Well, you are close to being right. I'm going to take what you got there, but I think it's -1/4. One of them has to be positive. Okay? So you guys can see what I have here. So let's just make sure, Louise, we got our negatives and positives right here. But let's say 2 minus 2, and then -2, negative. It doesn't matter which one you call 0.1 and 0.2. You'll still get the same answer. So I say -1 is my y1 minus -2 is my y2. And then x2 is -2 minus 2. So, right? Do the skip, change, right? Skip, change. Different signs. So -1 plus 2 is going to be +1. I got a +1 there, Louise. And then skip. So this is change. This is a positive. Now I change that to a negative. That makes sense. So now they're the same sign, so we add, so it'll be -4. So it's going to be -1/4. That's our answer. -1/4. And we know it's negative because it's going down. We know it's negative because it's going down. Anyway, we have a couple slopey problems on there. Slopey slope problems. Couple of them. Let's move on. Should I move on? Noel, are you still absent? Let's see. 1 minute. Be right back. Quinlan, let me know. Let's see. Okay. Well, let me know when you're back. Noel, are you absent? Oh, what do you guys think happened to Noel? What do you think happened to him? See, that's why it's hard to. I mean, it's distracting to do it, right? Isn't it hard to pay attention? I think it is. I'm the teacher, so it's easier for me. Whenever I'm on like the camera, it's like so hard for me to pay attention, like on the screen. There's so many things you can be doing, right? Right, Leilani Mendoza. It's hard to pay attention when you're sitting here like that, right?
Yeah.
You wish
Sorry,
you
I was looking at
No,
something.
I wasn't saying you weren't paying attention. I was just saying it's hard to pay attention. You're good. I'm not singling you out. I'm just saying, isn't it hard though to pay attention on this though, Leilani?
Yeah.
I think so. Let's do the next one on the pair deck. Okay. All right. Ooh, this is a good one. Write an equation of the function with the given values. Okay. Oh, I have the answer there? No. I don't want you to see the answer. Oh, well. Shoot. Oh, well. Okay, ignore that answer. I have the answer there. So I'll just show you how I got this. Because you guys got to know how to do this. I have the answer there. Right? Probably shouldn't have told you guys. So how do you write an equation? Okay, you're given these 2 points. Now these are points. Right? You can tell these are points. This is my x. And this is my y. Right? It doesn't seem like it, but it is. Right, you guys see that? Oh, wait, sorry, you guys. Not everyone can see. You guys can't see. Okay, so you got to write an equation, give these 2 points. You guys, this is x, this is y. This is x, this is y. So, this is my x, this is my y. All right? Then, we say this is my x, and this is my y. So I can write this as, my 2 points are 3, 1, and, what's my other point? 3, 1, what's my other point? 0, 7, right? My other point is 0, 7. Okay, so now, the first thing we want to do, everyone, is solve for the
Can you
slope.
slow down really quick?
Yeah. What do I do? I mean, first thing we need to do is find the slope. So while I'm pausing here, you guys solve for the slope. This is practice. See if you can figure out the slope first. And the equation is going to look like this. Y equals mx plus b, where there's my slope. Okay? So everyone try to find the slope first, and we'll plug it in there where the m is. Did you already get it? The slope? The equation?
Mr. Sanchez, can you go over the y equals something something? You broke out.
Oh, sorry. I walked off. I was scooping myself some ice cream. Who asked the question?
I did. I was asking if you could repeat the y equals something because
I'm
you
good.
broke out at that
Can
point.
you see this? Y equals mx plus b. This is the equation we're going to use for these 2 points to make a line.
No, I don't see any 2 points because you're frozen. I only see x
I'm
and
frozen? Oh, really? Shoot. Okay, you guys got to let me know if I'm frozen or not, because I can't see. Do you see that I'm frozen? Oh, is it just? Hey, Alberto, am I frozen to you, or can you see me?
You're frozen.
I'm frozen? Okay.
Yeah.
What's that?
I can still hear your voice. You're just frozen.
Yeah, shoot. Why am I frozen? But am I not frozen to you, or can you? Am I frozen to you, Olivia, or are you in? Because Crystal Magallanes, am I frozen to you?
No.
Oh. Some of you I'm frozen, some of you I'm not. I think, because like people in the classroom, I'm not frozen. Let's see. So, Edith, am I frozen to you, or can you see me?
I can see you.
Okay.
oh,
So-
never mind.
Okay. Anyway, let me get on to this problem. Antonio, I'm still frozen to you, Antonio? At least find the slope of this line here. So let's find the slope. See, I'm running out of room. I need space here. But I'm going to write it right here, I think. We're going to go y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay? Hopefully you guys can see that. Is that in my camera view there? Let's see. Is that in my camera view? Nicholas, can you see this right here? Is this in the camera view?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, cool. Y2, 1, minus Y1, 7, over X2, 3, minus X1, 0. Now, do the skip, change, skip, change. 1 plus negative 7, I know it's going to be negative 6. It's going to be more negatives, right? Skip, change, whatever. It's over 3. Negative 6 divided by 3, I can simplify that. Negative 6 divided by 3 is negative 2. Negative 2. That's my slope, which goes right here. So we'll say, we're almost done. Any question? You guys know I got it. You guys know how to get the slope. Y equals mx plus b. So my slope, instead of m, I say negative 2x plus b for my equation. That's where the solve the slope, you got that. Now, this is on your test, I'm telling you. The next step is pretty easy if you recognize it. If not, it's hard. But you see this? See how my x is 0? See how the x is 0? That means that 7 is my b. You have a 0 here, then my 7 is b. It's my y-intercept. So my equation is going to be y equals negative 2x plus 7. Slope, x is 0, y-intercept. That's how you do that. So make sure you can do that, right? The y-intercept, okay? Watch that. Good or not? Okay. All right. Rosa, do you get that? Rosa. Rosa's the one I think that her camera mic is on. Okay, thanks, Rosa. Quinlan, do you get it? Quinlan. Quinlan, are you absent? I'm marking you absent, Quinlan. Noel, are you still absent? Do the next one. So that's the answer. Do you guys see the answer here? By the way, they write the answer like this. Quinlan, are you absent? Y, instead of y, they write f of x. Y equals. Let's see how I had the answer there, right? Which, by the way, guys, you see, that was the answer here. See how I have the answer here? Y equals negative 2x plus 7, right? So instead of y, they do f of x. All right. Anyway, let's go to the next one. How are we doing on time? 10:50. Quinlan, I see you. So you are here, but you're not responding.
I had to go do something. Sorry.
Oh, you said BRB. I saw that, but it was a while. Okay, Noel, you're still not here, though, right? Noel, you're marked absent, just so you know. Okay, let's do the next one.
I'm here.
Noel, stay after class, because I've been trying to call you the past 5-10 minutes.
All right.
Okay, write an equation for this given line. I'm on the pair deck. Huh? I can't write anything on that one? Oh. I didn't make it so you could write on that one. Oh, well. I guess I didn't make it so you could write on that one. I gotta go back. Okay. So the same thing applies for this one. Oh. The same thing applies for this. Okay? And I will make it so you can see me. So guys, see if you can write an equation. First thing. Now, first thing, remember what I said about the slope? What did I say, Angelina, what did I say about the slope? Or the y-intercept? Remember what I said last time about the y-intercept? Here are my 2 points. Negative 8, comma 3, and 0, negative 5. Yeah, remember I said the y-intercept. Guys, remember I said the y-intercept is if x is 0. So that's my y-intercept, negative 5. If you see that, that's like easy. If you recognize it. If you don't recognize it, it's hard. We want it in y equals mx plus b. So find the slope first. Solve for the slope, everyone. Everybody solve for the slope. Where m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, solve for the slope there. Solve for that slope. And then you just plug in negative 5 here, right? Boom, you're done. And I don't think you can write on there, so just see if you can figure out what the answer is. Did you get the answer already? Did you get the answer already? Oh, write it down. No, don't do it in your head. No, you got it. Look, I just learned how to fly. Oh my gosh. Whoa! I'm like off the ground. Look, I'm flying. Whoa! You can see my feet. Whoa, I'm flying. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Oh, you're not logged out, so you can't see. Whoa, I was off the ground. But I can only fly like 3 feet off the ground. That's what I've learned how to do. So it's fun, but it's not like I could get a good view or anything like that. It's just easier on the feet when you want to walk. All right. Let's see. Talia, did you get an equation for this?
No, not yet.
Did you see me flying?
Yeah.
It was crazy, huh? You ever met anyone who could fly like without an airplane or anything?
No.
Hey, right here, man. I'm right here. I know how to fly. Does anyone know how to do this? You at least get the slope, right? Edith, did you at least get the slope, Edith?
Yes.
Okay. What'd you get for the slope?
-1.
Yes, that's 100% correct. You did the hard part. Do you know the equation, Edith?
I'm still working on it.
Hey, no. Once you got the slope, that's the easy part. Let's see how Edith got the slope. Let's call this point 1 and point. Doesn't matter. You can switch them around. So I go -5 minus 3 and 0 minus -8. Make sure it's minus -8, right? And so we do the skip change this to positive. So it's -8 over +8, which is equal to -1. Now watch, everyone. The slope by equation is y equals -1x plus b. Now remember, if I have a 0 here, that is my b, is -5. So my equation is y equals -1x minus 5 instead of plus minus 5. And that's your equation. But ultimately, we could write it like this. Y equals, instead of -1x, we write -x minus 5. That's all you got to do. Watch, I can levitate. Okay, my feet are totally on the ground right now. Okay, ready? Whoa, my feet are off the ground. Whoa. Oh, did you see that? I was totally in the air. I think I was really good. I really wasn't. All right. Nicholas, did you see me floating?
Yeah.
It was crazy.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Before. I've never done it before. All right, Olivia, did that make sense to you? All right. Do your phone. You don't need your phone right now. Okay, Abigail, did that make sense to you? Or am I still frozen?
Kind of.
Kind
You're
of.
still in and out.
Huh?
The screen is still in and out, but I
Okay.
can.
Daniel Mejia, did that make sense to you?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, so you guys see the equation, the answer there on the pear deck. And, oh, I think we're done. I don't have anything else to teach. So Are there any questions I can answer before I dismiss you guys? Anyone? Any questions I can answer? Your final is on Thursday, right? Thursday is the final. Okay. So tomorrow will probably be like, show up tomorrow. Well, I'm going to take roll. I'm going to be at home. I won't be in the classroom, but tomorrow will be a study. There's no in class tomorrow. Okay. So you're just going to show up online and we're going to hang out and it'll just be a review day, but the final is on Thursday. All right. Are there any questions?
Is there any in class on Thursday?
Nope. No in class. No in class. Let me double check though. Let me ask another teacher. Pretty sure we don't have in class. So this is our last day in class. Everything else will be online. Most of you, that's normal, okay? But if you're going to plan on coming tomorrow, do not come in. And then on Thursday, don't come in. Okay, Thursday we're taking a final. And then we'll have Friday a final. And then we'll have spring break, okay? All right. Any other questions? Okay. All right. If you want questions about your grades, stay on. Otherwise, I love you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, Crystal. Bye, Angelina Rodriguez. Bye, Leilani. Bye, Edgar. Bye, Nicholas. Bye, Rosie. Bye, Octavio. Bye, Antonio. Noel, are you still there? Did you leave? Noel, what happened? Why are you gone? Why are you gone for so long? I'd like mark you absent.
What do you mean? So long? Like how long? How much time did
I
you call
kept
me?
calling you. I was calling you for like 5 minutes, and I'd stop and I'd call. I'd do a problem, then I'd call again, and you weren't there. Where were you?
It's probably downstairs. I was kind of hungry.
Well, you got to stay in class. Eat before and after class. You know what? What do you have first period?
What happened?
What do you have first period? What's your first period teacher? What's your first period class?
Yeah, in Quillington.
Huh? What is that?
Energy and environment.
Yeah, you don't need that stuff. Eat during her class. Don't eat during my class. All right?
All right.
You can tell her I said that.
Oh, I have a question about my grade.
All right.
Oh, and about Delta Math, because you were telling me about Delta Math and how it was 49%.
Yeah.
But I think it's because I turned it in a little late. So then you only graded it what I had that day.
Oh, really? Okay, hang on. Let me see if I can fix that then. I hear what you're saying. Let me see if I can change that. Get on your Delta Math and tell me if it changes. I'm going to see if I can fix that. Okay, I think I got this. Okay, it told me something weird. So let me hang on. Which one did you do?
I finished all of them, but
Okay.
there's two that says 55 and 49%.
Okay.
Today's the last day to turn in work, right?
Yes,
All right.
it is. It is. Today is the last day. Okay. Edited the. Okay. I added the transformations. Let me get the transformations part 2. Oh, transformations part 2 edited. Okay, did the transformations part 2 see if your grade changed?
Yeah, they both went to 90 and 100.
All right, cool.
All right.
Okay, cool. So that works. Okay. So then you're set with that. What else? You good, or is that it?
Oh yeah, that's basically it. I'll be turning in late work today too.
Okay, get it in by certain time. I know you're on it. What did you eat while you were gone? What did you have?
I just had cereal.
What's that?
I said I just had cereal.
What kind of cereal?
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Oh my gosh, that's my favorite. Don't tell me that. I'm jealous. I wish I was
So
eating.
you're gonna be changing all the grades by today, right? Or tomorrow?
Hope maybe by tomorrow. I got a lot to do. It's hard work being a teacher, you know.
Yeah. All right.
It's almost as hard as being a student.
I don't know
All
about
right.
that one.
I'm gonna see what anyone else needs anything. You good, Noel?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank
All
you.
right.
Yeah.
All right, you're welcome. Who's next? Anyone?
I'll go next.
Okay. What's up, Naomi?
So, yesterday I turned in a bunch of lessons for the math, and I didn't know if I turned them in right, so I just wanted to let you know, like in person, that I
What
did do them.
what did you turn in? Like, was the upload or was it the Delta math?
The upload things.
Okay, let me check.
Yeah, because it says I couldn't submit them, so I had to put them as like comments.
Oh, that wouldn't work. When did you do that?
Earlier today, or no, I think last night.
Tell me which one. Okay, tell me which ones they are so I can change. So I can. I need to change it so that you can do it. I need you to because I won't be able to look at it if you do the comments. Which ones were you doing so I can?
Lesson 1.1, 1.2, 1.3.
Okay, hang on. Let's take upload. Okay, hang on. Let me get that one first, and then I'm gonna have to ask you to resubmit it again. Okay.
All right, that's fine.
Um. Okay, I got that one. Wait, hang on. Actually, no, wait, hang on a second. Let me see what I did. Oh yeah, you're good. You should be good. Okay, you have until midnight. Okay, what's the next one?
Lessons 3.1, 3.2, 3.3.
Okay. Okay. Next one.
3.5, and then I did 4.3.
Okay, 3.5. 3.5 upload. Okay. Before you hang up, do me a favor and start checking them out to make sure you can do it. Okay? But 4 point. Oh, dude. 3.5 should work. I'll change it to that. So let's see. Did you try 3.5?
I believe I did.
Okay, well, I think, well, I don't know. That's weird. Okay, and then
Oh,
the last,
yeah, I managed to get that one in.
oh, you got that one in. Okay. And then 4.1, 4.3? Was that the last one?
Yeah. Yeah, those ones are still, I'm able to submit stuff on those ones still.
You are not able to.
No, I am.
Oh, you got that one in. Okay. So the first two, the 1 point something and the 3 point, can you check those out before me before you go?
All right.
All right. And then Austin, what's up, homie? Austin, are you there? Okay. I'm assuming Austin is probably eating Cinnamon Toast Crunch. You guys good? You guys have anything? You guys have any late work you need to do? Are you gonna get it in today? Do you need help looking at what you need to turn in? Austin, are you there?